What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. With the start of 2022, we have the first stable build of Pixel Experience ROM for Oneplus 5 and 5T. It's good to see that we still have custom ROM support for devices like Oneplus 5 and 5T, wherein official support have been discontinued. So in this video, let's take a quick look on the latest build of Pixel Experience ROM, which is the stable Pixel Experience and the official one for Oneplus 5 and 5T. Before starting the video, thank you so much guys for completing the like target of 400 likes on a previous video. Let's keep the same like target, and we also have a new target for 2022 in which our goal is to complete 100k subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys are new to our channel, it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So here I have my Oneplus 5 on which I have installed Pixel Experience ROM based on Android 12. Let me show you the software information. Here under about section you can see Android version is Android 12. Security patch is of 5th December 2021 and build number says Pixel Experience 12 official build. And good thing about official builds, will also receive the system updates. So whenever there is new build available, you just have to go to system update section and check for the OTA update. These are the benchmark results. With single core device have scored 355 and with multi-core device have scored 1585. With Antutu benchmark application, my Oneplus 5 has scored 2,98,621. If you guys have been looking for pure Android 12 stock experience, then Pixel Experience is one of the best choice. On Pixel Experience ROM, you will get all the Pixel goodies, Monet works fine, and you guys will also get the option of live wallpapers from Pixel devices. For example, here we have the Bloom live wallpapers. Also Bloom live wallpapers have this motion effect. If you guys want to install Pixel Experience ROM on your Oneplus 5 or 5T, at the end of this video you can find the installation guide. On this latest build of Pixel Experience, you guys won't see OSP camera. By default, developer have added Google Camera 8.2. It's quite difficult to get a good Google Camera support on Oneplus 5 and 5T. But by default, developer have added the same. You guys don't have to do anything, just flash the ROM and you'll be good to go. Dotfix have already been implemented on Pixel Experience. Now talking about some of the changes what developer have done on this latest build of Pixel Experience ROM. So first of all, here we have a dedicated settings for OnePlus in which you can enable anti-flickering, vibrator strength can be changed, and we also get the ability to swap between the recents and the back button. My usage pattern is mostly I keep back button towards the right hand side, but by default on most of the ROMs you get it towards the left hand side. So here this is a good implementation for a person like me. Also you won't have any kind of issues using payment services. Google Play Store is certified and ROM also passes through safety net check. So you guys don't have to root your device and flash Magisk module to use payment services. Everything is taken care by developer. Being a stable build, I personally noticed one issue, and that's related to my Jio SIM card. I tried many other alternatives to fix this Jio SIM card issue, but still I'm not able to make calls using Jio SIM card. But other SIM cards work pretty much fine, no issues with other SIM cards like Airtel, Vodafone and others. Jio SIM card have always been an issue on custom ROMs. On most of the ROMs it do work, but currently on Pixel Experience ROM it doesn't work. So keep this in mind before flashing Pixel Experience on your Oneplus 5 or 5T. Later developer have also added the ability to turn off the light while charging. I mean to say LED light. You'll get to see an optimization profile from where you can optimize the particular application depending on your requirements. Where you'll get the options like performance. Alert slider have no issues at all. Now you also get to see vibrator icon in the status bar. Fingerprint unlock on my Oneplus 5 is way faster compared to the previous builds. Also there are few improvements done with the always on display. We do have the support of fast charging on this ROM. As per the changelog, battery seems to be improved, but battery part we'll get to know after using the device for a day or two. So I'll update you guys in the comment section. Gestures like double tap to wake works fine. You guys can also enjoy the live translate feature on Pixel Experience ROM. None of the sensors had any kind of issues like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. Other stuff like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VoLTE services and Wi-Fi calling does its job pretty well. Overall a quite stable ROM to be used as daily driver, and that too for a device like Oneplus 5 and 5T, which don't have the official support of software. Only one thing you need to keep in mind, and that's related to the Jio SIM card. Other than that, almost everything is working fine on my Oneplus 5. And now let's talk about the installation process. Before installing, make sure to take a backup of your entire device and also make sure you are running latest build of Oxygen OS. If not, just download the firmware from the description below and follow the installation guide. After that, you should have custom recovery installed on your device. In my case, I'm using Orange Fox recovery. I'll leave the recovery file in the description below, and you can also find the command to flash recovery on your OnePlus 5 or 5T. Once you have your TWRP booted, go to wipe section, select Dalvik caches, system, vendor, data, excluding internal storage. Because inside internal storage, we have the ROM file. Swipe to confirm wipe. Once this is done, just go back and look for the files in the internal storage. So if you guys are not running Oxygen OS, then it's recommended to flash the firmware of Oxygen OS 10.0.1, which was the last update of OnePlus 5 and 5T. So for both the devices, you guys can find the firmware. You just have to select this firmware, swipe to confirm flash, and after that, second thing is you need to flash Pixel Experience ROM. And there are no additional files required like Google App Package, because everything is included in the ROM itself. Additionally, if you want to flash Magisk or if you want to root your device, then you can go ahead and flash Magisk Manager. Installation process might take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, you can just tap on reboot system. Now your device should boot into Pixel Experience based on Android 12. And there we go, we have the boot animation of Pixel Experience. Device will hardly take 1 minute to boot up. Now complete the initial setup and enjoy Pixel Experience on your EOL phone. So guys, this was a quick look and installation guide of stable Pixel Experience ROM for OnePlus 5 and 5T. If you still have any kind of questions, you can message me on Instagram or Telegram. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.